Consumer price inflation increased to 5.4% in September from 4.8% in August. This brings the rate to the same level as June this year. The CPI increased by 0.6% between August and September, of which 0.4% was contributed by transport. The fuel index increased for a second consecutive month, rising by 7.6% between August and September. The price of inland 95-octane petrol hit a 13-month high of R24.54 in September. After 3 consecutive months in negative territory, annual fuel inflation jumped from negative 11.7% in August to a positive 1.5% in September. After cooling for the past 5 months, the annual rate for food and non-alcoholic beverages inched higher to 8.1% from 8% in August. Meat, fish, oils and fats, fruit and non-alcoholic beverages all registered higher annual rates in September. Lower rates were recorded for bread and cereals, sugar, sweets and desserts, vegetables, and milk, eggs and cheese. Meat prices increased on average by 0.6% between August and September, pushing the annual rate up to 3.8%. Poultry-related products experienced some upward price movements in September as producers started to cull birds in response to the outbreak of avian flu. For example, fresh whole chicken was up 2.2% between August and September. Non-IQF frozen chicken portions increased by 1.9% and eggs by 0.3%. Inflation for bread and cereals eased for a 5th straight month, reaching 9.2% in September. Lower annual rates were recorded for most products in this group. Rice, for example, saw its rate slow to 18.6% from 19.8% in August. However, maize meal inflation increased to 11.9% from 10.2% in August. The price index for hot beverages jumped by 3.5% between August and September. The largest increases were recorded for instant coffee, up 4.8%, ground coffee, which increased by 4.6%, and rooibos tea, up 3.7%. The September CPI includes housing rent data for the third quarter. The annual rate for actual and imputed rentals was 2.6%. Annual health inflation edged higher to 6.5% in September from 6.2% in August. This is the highest rate for health since November 2017, when it was also 6.5%. Prices for medical products increased by 7.5% in the 12 months to September. For more information on the Consumer Price Index, please visit our website at www.statssa.gov.za.